Welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications. Today we are going to discuss about food technology, facts and MCQs. There are 100 MCQs. First question, which food is considered as a natural probiotic? A. Yogurt, B. Bread, C. Pasta, D. Milk. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Yogurt. Second question, omega-3 fatty acids are primarily associated with which health benefit? Heart health, improved digestion, bone strengthening, better vision. This is the answer. Your answer is A. Heart health. Third question, which of the following is a functional food ingredient known for its cholesterol lowering properties? Beta-glucan, lactic acid, glutamate, ascorbate. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Beta-glucan. Fourth question, which fermented product is made using Aspergillus oryzae? Soy sauce, yogurt, beer, cheese. Which is the answer? Your answer is soy sauce. Fifth question, which method is commonly used to determine protein content in food? Geldal method, Soxhlet extraction, C. Titration, D. Gas chromatography. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Geldal method. Sixth question, what is the calorific value of 1 gram of fat? 9 kilocalorie, 4 kilocalorie, 7 kilocalorie, 5 kilocalorie. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. 9 kilocalorie. Seventh question, what is the purpose of the Atwater system? To determine the total calorific value of food, to measure vitamin content, to analyze mineral composition, to test moisture content. What is the purpose of the Atwater system? Your answer is A. To determine the total calorific value of food. Eighth question, which vitamin is measured using the HPLC technique? Vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D, all of the above. Which is the answer? Your answer is the all of the above. Ninth question, which mineral is commonly deficient in global diets? Iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc. Which is the answer? Your answer is iron A. Deficiencies in iron, vitamin A and iodine are the most common around the world, particularly in children and pregnant women. Low and middle income countries bear the disproportionate burden of micronutrient deficiencies. 10th question, what is the advantage of 3D food printing? A. Customized nutrient profiles, B. Increased production speed, C. Improved microbial safety, D. Reduction in energy consumption. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Customized nutrient profiles. 3D printed food allows precise control over ingredients, textures and shapes, enabling tailored culinary experiences for individuals with specific dietary preferences, restrictions or cultural requirements. 11th question, what is the key ingredient in lab grown meat? A. Animal stem cells, soy protein, wheat gluten, synthetic fat. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Animal stem cells. 12th question, what is the purpose of nanotechnology in food packaging? Improve barrier properties, detect contamination, enhances shelf life, all of the above. Your answer is D. All of the above. 13th question, what is the primary purpose of BT cotton? Pest resistance, high yield, drought tolerance, enhanced flavor. Your answer is A. Pest resistance. 14th question, which technique is used for gene editing in GM crops? CRISPR-Cas9, gel electrophoresis, mass spectrometry, D. PCR. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. CRISPR-Cas9. 15th question, what does the term transgenic mean in GM food, genetically modified foods? A. Gene transferred between different organisms, naturally modified organisms, genetically identical organisms, organisms modified with non-DNA methods. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Genes transferred between different organisms. 16th question, lactose intolerance is caused by a deficiency of which enzyme? Lactase, amylase, protease, lipase. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Lactase. 17th question, what is the main sugar substrate in traditional wine fermentation? Glucose, fructose, sucrose, glycerol. Which is the answer? Your answer is B. Fructose. 18th question, toxic substance in apple seeds? Anthocyanin, curcumin, amygdalin, all of these. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. Amygdalin. 19th question. Which compound in almond can complicate the digestion of proteins and the uptake of iron? Phytic acid and oxalates. B. Tannins. C. Amygdalin. D. All of this. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Tannins. 20th question. First commercially grown genetically engineered food is to be granted a license for human consumption. It was developed by the Californian company Calgene in the 1980s. A. Flavor saver. B. CGN 895642. Both A and B. Eli Lilly. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. Both A and B. This flavor saver is known as flavor saver tomato. 21. Which food allergy is most prevalent in children? Milk allergy, fish allergy, wheat allergy, nut allergy. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Milk allergy. 22. When was the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India established? 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. 2008. FSSAI was established on 5th September 2008 under Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, which was operationalized in year 2006. The FSSAI consists of a chairperson and 22 members. Question number 23. Which act serves as the legislative framework for FSSAI? Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, Food Products Order 1955, Edible Oil Packaging Order 1988. Which is the answer? Your answer is B. Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. 24. What is the primary responsibility of FSSAI? Framing regulations for food safety, conducting food business audits, granting trade licenses, handling food import policies. Your answer is A. Framing regulations for food safety. 25. What is the name of FSSAI's mobile food testing lab? Food on Wheels, Safety on Wheels, Food Safety on Wheel, Food and Safety Mobile. Your answer is C. Food Safety on Wheel. Update on food testing laboratories in India released on 29 July 2022. A total of 224 food testing laboratories recognized by FSSAI grants to states for National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration (NABL) accreditation, certified reference materials, consumables, and for hiring contractual manpower provided by FSSAI. 224 testing laboratories, including 53 state government laboratories, 145 private laboratories, and 26 other government laboratories for primary testing, and 20 laboratories for testing referral food samples. 26. FSSAI recently launched an awareness campaign in which city in 2024? Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore. Your answer is C. Delhi. 27. What is the FSSAI limit for trans fats in food products? 2%, 5%, 10%, 0%. Here answer is A. 2%. The Food Safety Standard Authority of India announced that all edible refined oils, vanaspati, bakery shortening, margarines, vegetable fat spreads, and mixed fat spreads may only contain 3% or less trans fats by January 2021 and 2% or less trans fats by January 2022. 28. Which FSSAI initiative focuses on reducing trans fat levels in foods? Safe India Drive, Heart Attack Rewind, Trans Fat Free India, Clean Eating India. This is the answer. Your answer is B. Heart Attack Rewind. Heart Attack Rewind. The FSSAI launched a mass media campaign, Heart Attack Rewind, on November 30, 2018 for the elimination of industrially produced trans fat in food supply. It will support FSSAI's global target of eliminating trans fat in India by the year 2022. This is a year ahead of the global target by the World Health Organization for the complete elimination of trans fat. 29. Who appoints the chairperson of FSSAI? Prime Minister, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Central Government, State Governments. The answer is C. Central Government. The Chief Executive Officer of the Food Authority is an officer not below the rank of Additional Secretary to the Government of India, appointed by the Government of India as the Executive Head of FSSAI. 30. What is FSSAI regulation on organic food? Prohibits all sales, requires specific labeling, mandates 100% organic content, does not regulate organic food. Which is the answer? Your answer is B. Requires specific labeling. Labeling on the package of organic food shall convey full and accurate information on the organic status of the product. 31. What is the term for FSSAI certification for organic products? India Organic, FSSAI Organic Standard, Jaivik Bharat, Organic India Seal. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. Jaivik Bharat. Jaivik Bharat, the portal on organic food from India, is a regulatory portal. At the heart of the portal is an Indian Organic Integrity Database jointly developed by FSSAI, APEDA, and PGS India on organic food standards, certification processes, information relating to FBOs. The unified logo is an identity to mark distinguish organic products from non-organic ones, supported with the tagline Jaivik Bharat. 32. Question number 32. What is FSSAI's role in imported food products? Complete exemption from scrutiny, licensing and testing, only labeling inspections, no role in imports. Which is the answer? Your answer is B. Licensing and testing. 33. Which lab standard does FSSAI rely on for food testing? NABL, ISO, HACCP, GMP. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. NABL. 34. Which program educates school students on food safety? Eat Right School, Safe Food Zone, Blissful Food Program, Food for Thought. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Eat Right School. Eat Right School is a national-wide program to inculcate right eating habits in school children through curricular and extracurricular activities. Question number 35. Which FSSAI initiative aims to combat food wastage? A. Save Food, Share Food. B. Zero Hunger Mission. C. Food for All. D. Hunger Free India. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Save Food, Share Food. What is IFSA? Known in its full form as Indian Food Sharing Alliance. IFSA has been formed by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India to help solve India's food waste and hunger crisis by working with various partner organizations, food recovery agencies, and NGOs. Question number 36. In 2024, FSSAI introduced new standards for which food product? Edible oils, milk, packaged water, ready-to-eat foods. This is the answer. Your answer is C. Packaged water. Question number 37. What is the consumer complaint helpline number of FSSAI? A. 1911 1556 1900 112 211 1900 112100. Which is the answer? Your answer is D. 1900 112100. 38. Which international agency collaborates with FSSAI on food standards? WHO, FAO, CAC, ISO. Your answer is C. Codex Alimentarius Commission. 39. FSSAI uses which platform for online licensing? FOSTAC, Foodlick Online, FLRS, License Served. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. FLRS. FLRS is an online application launched by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India to facilitate food business operators in India to apply for license or registration certificate and track their application during the course of processing. 40. Slogan of World Food Safety Day 2022 is Safe Food, Better Health, Health Through Food, Eat Right, Stay Fit, Food Safety First. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Safe Food, Better Health. 41. Question number 41. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on June 7th, July 7th, April 8th, March 21. March 21st. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. June 7th. Theme of World Food Safety Day 2024 is Food Safety, Prepare for the Unexpected. 42. Which of the following organisms can grow in both aerobic and anaerobic conditions, making it a significant food safety concern? A. Clostridium botulinum. B. E. coli. C. Listeria monocytogenes. D. Salmonella typhi. Which is the answer? Your answer is B. E. coli. 43. What is the primary mechanism by which umami flavor is detected? Sweet receptor activation, bitter receptor signaling, glutamate interaction with taste receptors, D. Interaction with fat molecules. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. Glutamate interaction with taste receptors. 44. Which compound is most responsible for the spiciness of chili peppers? Capsaicin, piperine, curcumin, allyl isothiocyanate. Your answer is A. Capsaicin. Next question, 45. Which is the most spiciest chili in the world? The Carolina Reaper, Food Jolokia, Pepper X, none of these. Which is the answer? Your answer is the Carolina Reaper. Food Jolokia is the spiciest chili in India, found in Assam. The Carolina Reaper is officially the world's hottest pepper as ranked by Guinness Book of World Records. Carolina Reaper can top out at 2.2 million SHU. SHU means Scoville heat unit. It is a measurement of hotness or spiciness in food. 46. Question number 46. Which term describes the incorporation of plant DNA into bacterial plasmid for food biotechnology applications? CRISPR modification, gene splicing, cloning, recombinant DNA technology. Which is the answer? Your answer is D, rDNA technology. 47. Which is known as the king of poisons? Lithium, arsenic, hemlock, cadmium. This is the answer. Your answer is B, arsenic. Arsenic became a favored method for murder of the Middle Ages and Renaissance, particularly among ruling classes in Italy, allegedly because the symptoms are similar to those of cholera, which was common at that time. Arsenic poison often went undetected. 48. Which spice contains the compound piperine known for its pungency? Black pepper, cloves, turmeric, cardamom. Your answer is A, black pepper. 49. Name the heat and spice perception receptor in human body. TRPV1 receptor, epinephrine B2, both A and B. D, none of these. Your answer is A, TRPV1 receptor. 50. What is the primary function of sugar in jam making? A, preservative, acidifier, thickener, flavor enhancer. Your answer is A, acts as preservative. 51. What is the optimum pH range for pectin to form a gel in jelly? 2.8 to 3.5, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 7.5 to 8. Which is the answer? Your answer is A, 2.8 to 3.5. 52. Which citrus fruit is traditionally used in making marmalade? Orange, lemon, grapefruit, lime. Your answer is A, orange. 53. Which natural compound in health drinks is most effective in boosting immunity? Flavonoids, anthocyanins, polyphenols, ascorbic acid. Which is the answer? Your answer is D, ascorbic acid. 54. What is the most common binding agent used in restructured fruit snacks? Pectin, gelatin, starch, agar-agar. Your answer is option A, pectin. 55. Which technique is widely used to extend the shelf life of minimally processed vegetables? MAP, irradiation, vacuum sealing, fermentation. Your answer is option A, MAP. 56. What is the primary benefit of IQF technique? Prevents enzymatic browning, preserves texture and flavor, reduces freezing time, all of the above. Your answer is D, all of the above. 57. Which microorganism is primarily involved in natural fermentation of pickles? A, Lactobacillus plantarum, B, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C, Clostridium sporogens, D, Aspergillus oryzae. Your answer is option A, Lactobacillus plantarum. Question number 58. For what purpose ASTM method is used in spices? Assessing moisture content, measuring volatile oil content, determining spice color value, D, checking microbial load. Which is the answer? Your answer is C, determining spice color value. 59. Which component ensures proper setting of jam? Acid, sugar, pectin, all of the above. Your answer is D, all of the above. Which pectin type is used in low sugar lily? High methoxyl pectin, low methoxyl pectin, unmodified pectin, acidic pectin. Which is the answer? Your answer is B, low methoxyl pectin. 61. How is marmalade thickness controlled? Adjusting pectin levels, varying cooking time, altering sugar content. All the above. Your answer is D, all of the above. 62. Which factor is most critical in preventing enzymatic browning during the storage of tomato paste? Low pH, high oxygen concentration, low temperature, high sugar concentration. Your answer is C, low temperature. 63. Which packaging material provides the best barrier against moisture and oxygen for tomato-based products? Polythene, glass jars, metal cans with epoxy lining, laminated aluminum foil. Your answer is option D, laminated aluminum foil. 64. The occurrence of flat sour spoilage in canned tomato products is caused by which microorganism? Bacillus coagulans, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Clostridium botulinum, Pseudomonas fluorescens. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A, Bacillus coagulans. 65. Which defect is associated with excessive heating during the processing of tomato puree? caramelization of sugars, phase separation, C. Protein coagulation, D. Color bleaching. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Caramelization of sugars. 66. Tomato sauce developing a metallic taste during storage is most likely caused by acidic reactions with the can lining, over fermentation, high temperature storage, microbial contamination. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Acidic reactions with the can lining. 67. Which enzyme is responsible for causing watery separation in improperly stored tomato juice? Lipase, amylase, polygalacturonase, pectinesterase. Which is the answer? Your answer is C. Polygalacturonase is the answer. Option C. 68. Which bacterium is responsible for the production of GABA in fermented foods? Lactobacillus plantarum, Streptococcus thermophilus, Pediococcus acidilactici, D. Lactobacillus rhamnosus. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Lactobacillus plantarum. Among GABA producing microorganisms, lactic acid bacteria are commonly used in the production of many fermented foods. Lactobacillus plantarum. It is a new name of Lactobacillus plantarum. Lactobacillus plantarum is the new name of Lactobacillus plantarum. It is a lab species that has a long history of natural occurrence and safe use in wide variety of fermented foods and beverages. 69. Which microorganism is used in the industrial production of tempeh? A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, B. Rhizopus oligosporus, C. Penicillium camembert, D. Zygosaccharomyces bailey. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Rhizopus oligosporus. 70. What role does leuconostoc misandroids play in sourdough fermentation? A. Produces ethanol. B. Initiates heterolactic fermentation. C. Hydrolyzes gluten proteins. D. Enhances moisture retention. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Initiates heterolactic fermentation. 71. In vinegar fermentation, acetic acid bacteria oxidize ethanol to lactic acid, carbon dioxide, acetic acid, butyric acid. In vinegar fermentation, this acetic acid bacteria oxidize ethanol to acetic acid. 70. Question number 72. Which bacterium produces diacetyl responsible for the butterly flavor in some dairy-based fermented products? Lactobacillus casei, Lactococcus lactis subspecies lactis biobar diacetyl lactis, C. Bifidobacterium bifidum, D. Enterococcus faecium. Which is the answer? Your answer is option B. Lactococcus lactis subspecies lactis biobar diacetyl lactis. 73. What is the primary carbohydrate fermented in dosa batter? Starch, glucose, fructose, cellulose. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. Starch. Next question. Which of the following is a byproduct of heterolactic fermentation in sourdough? Lactic acid, acetic acid, ethanol, all the above. Your answer is D. All of the above. 75. Food irradiation is a process used to sterilize food by exposing it to radiation. The UV light kills harmful microorganisms and extends the shelf life of food without significantly affecting its taste or nutritional content. Option A. Both statement and the reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation for the statement. B. Both the statement and the reason are true but the reason is not the correct explanation for the statement. C. The statement is true but the reason is false. Statement is false but the reason is true. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. The statement is true but the reason is false. Food irradiation typically uses gamma, electron beams or X-rays, not UV light. 76. In high pressure processing, food is subjected to very high pressures to kill microorganisms and pathogens without applying heat. Reason: this process helps maintain the food's natural flavors, nutrients and texture while providing a long shelf life. Here, which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Both the statement and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation for the statement. 77. Irradiation is a food processing technique that uses high energy radiation to eliminate harmful pathogens and extend shelf life. This method can also help preserve the sensory and nutritional qualities of food, making it an effective alternative to traditional preservation methods. Which is the answer here? Your answer is A. Both statement and the reason are true. 78. Bacterifugation is a technique used to separate bacteria from milk before it is processed, particularly during the pasteurization stage. Reason: it helps in reducing the bacterial load, ensuring that the milk is safer and extends the shelf life of the product. Both are correct. So here answer is A. 79. Thermally processed foods never lost their vitamin content due to the high temperatures used in pasteurization and canning. The loss of vitamins can be minimized by using low temperature or shorter processing time. So here first sentence is not correct. So statement is not correct, but reason is correct. So option is D. The statement is false, but the reason is true. 80. Aseptic preservation is a process where food is sterilized and then packaged in a sterile container to prevent contamination. This method enables food to be stored for extended periods at room temperature without refrigeration. So here both are correct. Both the statement and the reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation for the statement. Aseptic preservation is a process where the food is sterilized and then packaged in sterile container to prevent contamination. This method enables food to be stored for extended periods. Both are correct. 81. Thermosonication uses high frequency sound waves to pasteurize food products at lower temperatures. This method accelerates the heating process, reduces nutrient loss, and preserves food sensory properties compared to traditional thermal pasteurization. Both are correct. So here answer is A. 82. Which rare pathogenic bacterium caused botulism outbreaks in a traditional salted fish fermented product in Egypt, and what specific conditions during fermentation promoted its toxic production? Clostridium botulinum anaerobic low acid conditions. B. Listeria monocytogenes aerobic low salt conditions. C. E. coli high temperature fermentation. D. Vibrio cholerae high sugar fermentation. Here answer is option A. Clostridium botulinum anaerobic low acid conditions. 83. Which of the following foodborne pathogens is most commonly associated with the Vibrio cholerae outbreaks in India, particularly during monsoon season? Contaminated seafood, improperly cooked meat, contaminated drinking water, unpasteurized milk. Your answer is option C. Contaminated drinking water. 84. A large outbreak of typhoid fever occurred in a city. What might have been the common source of contamination? Street food contaminated with Salmonella typhi, contaminated municipal water supply, improperly stored dairy products, poultry infected with Salmonella enterica. Which is the answer? Your answer is option D. Contaminated municipal water. It might have been the common source for contamination. 85. Which of the following pathogens is most likely to cause gastroenteritis in children consuming untreated dairy products in India? E. coli, Shigella fluxneri, Campylobacter jejuni, Staphylococcus aureus. Your answer is Campylobacter jejuni. 86. In India, cases of hepatitis A linked to street food are most commonly associated with which type of food preparation? Uncooked vegetables in chats, fermented milk products, waste products, fried snacks like samosas, D. Spicy curries. Your answer is A. Uncooked vegetables in chats. 87. What is the primary reason for the higher prevalence of Ascaris lumbricoides infections in regions consuming unwashed raw vegetables? Use of untreated sewage water for irrigation, lack of refrigeration on harvested crops, high humidity during storage, overuse of chemical fertilizers. Your answer is option A. Use of untreated sewage water for irrigation. 88. Why is Vibrio vulnificus poisoning rare but severe among consumers of raw oysters imported to India? Lack of salinity regulation during shipping, low pH of the storage medium, survival of pathogens in the cold chain, cross contamination during preparation. Which is the answer? Your answer is A. Lack of salinity regulation during shipping. 89. In a particular city, an outbreak of Shigella soni incident reported. What might have been the reason for the same to occur? Choose your opinion from the options. Cooked rice, cooked pulses, contaminated ice, pickles. Your answer is option C. Contaminated ice. 90. In 1996, the Sakai City E. coli outbreak in Japan linked to contaminated radish sprouts caused over 9,000 illnesses. Which toxin was implicated? Shiga toxin, enterotoxin, botulinum toxin, endotoxin. Your answer is option A. Shiga toxin. 91. What was the primary contaminant in the 2008 Chinese milk scandal that led to widespread kidney damage in children? cyanuramide, cyanide, aflatoxins, heavy metals. This answer. Your answer is option A. This question I asked in previous question paper, but here answer is same, but cyanuramide is also known as melamine. Common name for melamine is cyanuramide and the chemical name for melamine is triaminotriazine. 92. Which bacteria caused the 2019 papaya outbreak in United States affecting multiple states? Salmonella ucanta, Listeria monocytogenes, E. coli, Shigella dysentery. This is answer. Your answer is option A, Salmonella enterica serotype Uganda. 93. Which day is celebrated as the World Food Day by the United Nations? October 15th, October 16th, September 28th, November 25. Your answer is option B, October 2016. 94. The United Nations declared 2016 as the International Year of Pulses. What was the main goal of this designation? Promoting sustainable agriculture, reducing global hunger and malnutrition, increasing awareness of legume health benefits, promoting technological innovation in food processing. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C, increasing awareness of legume health benefits. 95. The International Year of Fruits and Vegetables was declared in which year by the United Nations? 2020, 2019, 2021, 2022. It is the answer. Here, answer is option B, 2021. 96. Which of the following is the theme of World Health Day 2021, which focused on food systems? It's time to build a fairer, healthier world for everyone, everywhere. Food for all. Healthy diet for a healthy planet. Nurturing the world's health. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. It's time to build a fairer, healthier world for everyone, everywhere. Question number 97. World Soil Day is observed on December 5th, December 10th, January 11th, June 7th. Which is the answer? Your answer is option A. December 5th is observed as World Soil Day. World Soil Day 2024 campaign under the theme Caring for Soils, Measure, Monitor, Manage underscores the importance of accurate soil data and information in understanding soil characteristics and supporting informed decision making on sustainable soil management for food security. 98. Which year was declared by the United Nations as the International Year of Potato, focusing on its importance for global food security? 2008. 99. The International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development, which emphasized food systems and their impact on global health, was declared in which year? 2017. 100th question, last question. What is the main focus of the Food Safety Training and Certification FSSAI program? To enhance food safety knowledge among the public, to train food handlers and manufacturers, to promote international food safety standards, to provide financial aid to food industries. This is the answer. Your answer is B, to train food handlers and manufacturers. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications.